In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome icon to give your desktop a fresh, personalized look. This process is perfect for those who want to add a touch of uniqueness to their setup or simply prefer a different aesthetic for their applications. Before we dive into the steps, make sure that you have the icon you want to use saved on your computer. An icon file usually has an byte ICO extension, and you can find many free ones online or even create one using an image converter. First, let's get started by heading over to your desktop. Locate the Google Chrome shortcut. It's usually a familiar multicolored circle icon we all know. Once you've found it, right-click on this shortcut. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select Properties. Clicking Properties will open a new window where the magic happens. Once the Properties window is open, look towards the top and find the tab labeled Shortcut. This tab contains various settings for your shortcut, but what we're interested in today is changing the icon. Within this tab, you'll notice a button labeled Change Icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open another window, allowing you to select a new icon for Google Chrome. You'll now see a window with a collection of available icons. But since we have a specific icon in mind, we need to browse our computer for our custom one. Click on the Browse button to start this search. Navigate through your files until you find the new icon file you've previously saved. Once you've located the desired icon file, click on it to select it, then click Open to confirm your choice. After you've selected your new icon, you'll be back in the Change Icon window. Here, you need to confirm the selection by clicking the OK button. This action will return you to the Properties window where you'll notice that the icon preview has changed to your selected icon. To make this change official, you must apply it. Do this by clicking Apply. After that, finalize everything by clicking OK. You should immediately see the change reflected on your desktop. And there you have it. Your Google Chrome icon is now updated with your chosen design, giving your desktop a fresh look. Remember, these changes only affect desktop shortcuts, so if you have other Chrome shortcuts elsewhere, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. We hope this small customization brings a bit more joy to your daily computer use. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe for future updates and tips. Thank you for watching.